Good morning, Ma'am Sir. My name is Elizabeth Bautista. I'm 45 years old. I am single, but I have a live-in partner, father of my children. We have less five children, three boys and two girls, age of 24, 22, 14, 12, and 8 years old. I work as domestic helper at country of Kuwait from 2022 until 2024 this year. I'll take care of baby there. Two children, one boy age of 2 years old when I come, and one girl age of 4 years old when I come. And they are 4 and 6 years old when I left this year. My skills are take care of children, mom, cleaning house. I can cook already. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I can wash dishes, washing clothes already. I make iron. Um, Take care of children. My personality, I'm kind for baby. I'm hardworking and trustworthy mom, sir. And I can work with coworker already if have, and I can work by myself only one if only one you need. My preferred work, take care children, newborn. I can take care newborn, and take care of your children. That's all, ma'am.